Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy with Kraken. First, you'll need to set up your account. Begin by visiting the Kraken website and registering with your email address and a secure password. Next, complete the identity verification process, often called KYC, which is essential for security and compliance. You will choose a verification level, such as Starter, Intermediate, or Pro, which determines your deposit and withdrawal limits. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, usually taking just a few minutes to complete. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. Head over to the Funding tab on the Kraken platform. You'll find several deposit options available, including traditional bank transfers, wire transfers, and a wide array of cryptocurrency deposits. For fiat currencies, like US dollars or euros, you'll typically use a bank transfer. Always double-check the deposit instructions, including any reference codes, to ensure your funds arrive safely and are credited to your account without delay. With funds in your account, you're ready to make your first purchase. Navigate to the Trade section on Kraken. Here, you can select the specific cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, for example, Bitcoin against US dollars. You have the choice between a simple market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price point. Enter the amount you wish to invest, review your order details, and then confirm your purchase. Finally, let's talk about security and smart trading. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account. This adds a crucial layer of protection. For significant holdings, consider moving your cryptocurrency to a personal hardware wallet for maximum security. Remember that the crypto market can be volatile, so it's wise to only invest funds you are comfortable losing. Stay informed, trade responsibly, and always prioritize the security of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.